Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to add dual check clock widget on your iPhone lock screen. If you want to add dual clock widget to your iPhone lock screen, so you just have to follow some settings. First, you have to open your phone settings and here scroll down and then you'll get the wallpaper option. Tap on it and here you have the lock screen. Tap on customize and here you have to tap on widgets. You just have to remove these widgets and then you'll be able to add clock. Just scroll down and look for clock. Here's that. Tap on it and here this is the city digital clock. Just tap on it to add it, and if you want to add one more, so tap on it and then you can customize it. Just tap on this clock and here you can easily change the city or country of your clock. As I'm going to select a random city, tap on it and then just tap on it and here you can get another city, so just tap on it. So here you can see I have successfully added up to 3 clocks on my iPhone. Now tap on done, then lock your screen, then here you can see I have 3 clocks on my iPhone lock screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.